Okay, so we made it to Vermont. We are in Burlington right now, and we're going to check out the downtown area, check out some shops, maybe grab some food. We'll see what we do, hit up a brewery, and yeah, let's go explore.
Monday after Easter Sunday, and there's absolutely nothing open in Burlington at all.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head back to the truck, maybe stop at a brewery because everything else seems to be closed. There's only one brewery open, so hopefully their beer's good.
So today we are going from Waterbury up to Stowe to explore, and we thought, why not stop at the home of Ben & Jerry's ice cream and check it out in Waterbury, Vermont. It is the factory. The tours are closed for COVID, but we're gonna check out the graveyard, Flavor Graveyard, and then also get some ice cream. Maybe they have free samples, we'll see, who knows. Ready for some ice cream? You know, honestly, I think I'm here for sweaty balls. Should I come back? Alright, so Dara ended up going with the milk and cookies.
In a waffle cone.
And then I got the strawberry cheesecake in a cup. Alright, so we're going to show you our haul from the cider mill.
Apple cider, of
Yum.
course. But no trip to Vermont will be complete without maple syrup. But the real sweet treat of them all is the cider donuts.
That are apparently famous here.
So we're going to taste them and tell you how they taste.
Are they warm?
No.
No? Okay. So they're not warm, but how do they taste?
So they're good, but they leave more to be desired, honestly. Tastes like cider.
Well, definitely check out the Cold Hollow Cider Mill here in Vermont. You can pick
I'm
up
still
a few
gonna eat
things.
it.
Give me one. Alright, so I know this area is kind of known, like the Northeast, I guess, known for its covered bridges. So I just Googled covered bridge nearby and on the way, and there is one. There is one on the way from Waterbury to Stowe, just a little bit off the main road, and we found it. So of course we finally got our cheddar from Vermont. Super excited to try it later.
So we're at Pie Casa in Stowe, Vermont, and we came here for some dinner, do a little pizza. I got the blackberry sage mule with some tequila, some blackberry sage simple syrup, ginger beer, lemon juice, and lemon garnish. Jessica got on the wings of a bee, which is gin, honey, lemon juice, crystallized honey rim. Yeah, look at that. And a nice little lemon twist.
They're pretty strong.
And now we're gonna enjoy some delicious garlic knots. Yeet.
We were so hungry and excited for this pizza that we forgot to film it before we dug in. But we got a buffalo chicken pizza, and it is so